A recent graduate of the USC Gould School of Law is speaking out, saying her alma mater failed to protect her from a sexual predator. The 28-year-old is among hundreds of women who've come forward with accusations against Dr. George Tyndall, a former gynecologist at the Student Health Center. Eyewitness News reporter Jade Hernandez shares her story.
This USC law graduate can't bear to look at her diploma.
How could you not be surprised that they allowed that to happen for over a decade? That's shocking.
This is a copy of a lawsuit filed on behalf of 28-year-old Eliana Vivier, a USC law school graduate. She's accusing Dr. George Tyndall, a former gynecologist at the university she saw on 3 separate occasions, of sexual abuse and harassment.
You expect that, hey, I'm at USC and this guy's been at USC for, decades. He must be legitimate.
And only in mid-May of this year, once public allegations surfaced against Tyndall, did Vivier realize she too was a victim. She then came to this attorney.
We have young ladies who are having completely inappropriate touching, the comments, basically the sexual comments while he is conducting the examination. The length of the examination, it is just completely inappropriate.
What's most upsetting to Vivier is initial reports spanned from 1990 to 2016 against the USC doctor, who was fired in 2016. He reached a settlement with the school and was not reported to law enforcement or state medical authorities. Police estimate Tyndall may have seen 10,000 patients in his tenure there. In her suit, Vivier says Dr. Tyndall made her lie naked on the exam table while he inspected every part of her body down to her bottom. Also, while examining her cervix, questioned how many fingers would fit, and then inserted 2 of his own as a test to see which medical instrument to use.
I think talking about sexual assault is a particularly difficult conversation to have. I think a lot of people don't necessarily or can't necessarily understand your experience.
Which is why she didn't tell anyone but her mother about the exams until now. This is a class action lawsuit this firm hopes will allow others to come forward and push for change at USC. Jade Hernandez, ABC7 Eyewitness News.